Well, as you can see, we got a load of rock. And here it is. And we've got blue warming up in the background. The plan for today is to fill in our drainage ditch. So you can see this ditch right here, all the way down. We're gonna try and get that all filled in and good to go. The one on the other side, we're going to leave that open because I want the most amount of water that can get in there to get in there. So I don't want to fill it with rock just yet. All right, guys, this is the part that I was regretting. You see, I don't want to drive on this. It's still too moist. I don't want to create any ruts. So I can't really get the tractor in this area. So this is just going to have to get done by hand. Hey guys, sorry about that. My neighbor from down the road came in. He's looking to get some slabs for kindling for his house. He's got a house two, three houses down. So started talking with him, and he had some good news I might be sharing with you guys real soon, so stick around. But we're gonna finish getting this rock in. Alrighty. Well, that stunk, but it's done. So the rest of it should be a lot easier. Hey, Rockalapone. What you doing, bub? Hey, Bailey, what are you doing? Come on, boys. Let's go. Come on. Come on. All right, guys. Do you see? I got all my rock laid in. I got it kind of tamped down. You can see it over here. What a project that was. But look at what it did to my garden. That's not really a big deal because it's all gonna get tilled. So I'm not super duper worried about that anyway. We do not have the soil structure yet to actually attempt no-till. So that will all have to get tilled up and composted and amended, but I'm super happy. This looks really good. It should drain the water off no problem, and I will take you up front and show you a little bit more of the other work that I did. All right, so I got it all smoothed out and got some rock in front of the farm stand. I just have this corner over here I've got to smooth out, but take a look, guys. Look at how much rock I've used. There's hardly any left. I'm gonna take that and drag that back, and what I'm gonna do is I've got a few spots in the driveway that really need a little bit of attention, so we're gonna fill those in, get that cleaned up, because when we do the driveway with the rock, there'll be plenty of rock left over to re-amend this whole area here. So not a big deal at all. So I'm gonna get back on the tractor and get that done. Well, good morning everyone and welcome to the homestead. Oh, it was raining this morning. I checked the radar. It wasn't even showing rain for 100 miles around us. I don't know what's going on. World's coming to an end, I guess. So we are back at Jason's wood pile. Let me make sure you guys can see that real good. Here we are at Jason's wood pile. What I plan to do today is get them cut to length, and as long as my yard isn't too soppy, I'm gonna get blue over here and I'm gonna get all those logs up to the front. That's not a bad little pile for the morning. It's about 10, 12 logs, not too bad. I've got to break away now because I got to go get me something to eat, guys. I haven't eaten yet today. And I got some off homestead running around to do. So we're going to leave this project till tomorrow. going, Bailey. Bailey, come on. Come on, Bailey. Come on, Bailey. Hey, Bob. What you doing? Here comes Bailey. Hi, Bailey. Hi, Bailey. All right, as you just saw, Jason was having a little bit of trouble with his starter. You had to tap it with a hammer and to get it going sometimes, and I ran into that while I was borrowing it. But I saw the last time I did it, a little teeny spark coming off it. So that one connection was just a little bit loose. I cleaned it all up, tightened it up, and it fired right up. So we'll see if that was the issue moving forward. But I did notice the gas gauge is working, so maybe that's a plus. I don't know. But we're back at Jason's log pile. The plan is to try and get the rest of these logs moved forward. See, you can see, hang on guys, let me take you down and show you. See the sun? It is completely in overcast. And they're calling for rain tomorrow. Not a lot, but enough that my yard will turn into a muddy, sopping mess. So we're gonna try and get the rest of these logs. Let's take a walk over there and I'll show you guys. We got quite a bit of these logs picked up already. So, hey Bailey, doing a log inspection? What about you, Rocco? Any critters in there? So I'm thinking I'm gonna get a bunch of them cut up. The tractor's over there warming up. We'll get it down here. We'll get the rest of these logs moved up to the front. And that way, when Jason and Tara get back, it'll be all set and ready for them. Alright guys, that's not a bad pile of logs. I've still got some more back there, but I literally just pulled the ripcord out of my chainsaw. So I'm gonna have to run and fix that. But let's go over here to the farm stand. Missy's in there doing seeds. And for those of you who have been following along, I'm sure you're eager to see what it looks like. So let's go in there. Don't mind the mess in this room, guys. It's still a little bit under construction, but it's getting there. But let's go check out Missy.
Hey.
Hey, Missy.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm pretty good.
How's it going in here?
All right.
Let's show the folks what you got. This is Missy's green room, guys.
Grow room.
Grow room. All insulated. We've got one bench over here with some stuff in it with the lights on it. Anything sprouting?
Yeah, there's stuff sprouting. We set this all up last weekend, and I did make a full length video.
Yes, she did,
for this
guys.
whole thing.
Hold on, guys. Full disclosure. She made a wonderful video, and we went over the footage.
Yeah.
It was really good, but I was getting ready to take it off the zip drive and put it on the computer, but you had a Zoom call with some friends, so we didn't want the Zoom call to be slow, so I didn't start the download. And then when the Zoom call was ended, I forgot, and a couple days later I formatted that SD card without looking at the footage.
Which deleted all my footage.
She was, let me get us in the light, guys.
I know, it's a little dark.
Let me stand over. Can you see my face, guys? She was not happy with me at all. But in YouTube world, it happens.
No, I know. And there will be another time that I'll be able to get another video out. But
yeah,
for now, this is just kind of a piece into whatever video you're making today.
Yeah.
But
let's see what you got.
We did get this side all set up.
Yeah.
I have heat mats underneath all these trays and lights. But after putting up these lights, I realized we should have hung them the other way.
Really?
Yes. I'm looking at, because we can get more trays if we hang the lights the other way.
Oh, hang them this way instead of this way.
Yeah, Mom, you're cutting my head off.
Try that again.
So instead of the lights going this way, the way that we have them now, I want to turn them this way. So if we have, because that way we can do 3 lights on this end and then 3 lights over here, and I'll be able to get more trays underneath the lights.
For the square inches of light space.
For the square footage that we have.
Okay.
I realized that after we did it, and now that I have it set up, it's not really ideal. And then I started setting up the other side and realized I want to change it.
Okay.
So we'll be making some changes, but it's all a learning process.
Yeah.
So I guess let's show them what we have.
Yeah. Hang on. Let me get it so that they can see.
I have broccoli in here, which we already have.
Let me get
now
down
this
in there.
has just been a week so far. Last Saturday I did all of these, and we have sprouts coming up already. This is regular broccoli, Waltham.
Nice.
And then over here I have cauliflower, which I need to pick up some more cauliflower seeds, but I do see some sprouts coming up. They're just starting to poke out right now. Yeah. They're really tiny. And on this side there's a caprese.
Look at this one.
And this is caprese broccoli. So there's 2 different kinds of broccoli. And then over here I have green cabbage, which has started to sprout, which is kind of nice.
Yeah.
And then I have red cabbage on this side. The red cabbage is sprouting, but it's hard to see because they are
there's
red.
There's a little one.
But you can know this green is grass.
Okay.
There's something.
Oh, I see them right here, guys.
Right there.
See them right there?
And there's a couple more down there.
Nice.
But those are harder to see. Over here, I have some onions. I have 4 different kinds of onions that I planted in here. So they do have some sprouts coming up. Yep. Some little green sprouts. There's one over here and a couple there. But those onions always take a while.
Yeah, they do. I think that's why everybody does onions from slips.
And then this, this tray is a bunch of different flowers.
Oh,
and
you got all kinds of sprouts in there.
Some little sprouts coming up. But then again, those are slow too, so we're going to see what happens with those. These are different kinds of flowers that I've never planted before.
Okay.
So we'll see what happens.
And then what do you got going on this
today, side? I started peppers because we wanted to get our peppers early.
Yes.
Because last year I had a hard time with peppers germinating.
Yeah.
And thanks to one of our wonderful subscribers, Joy G, she was nice enough to bring us some pepper plants.
Yes.
That were already pretty
well
much
established.
Well established in producing peppers already. They had little tiny peppers on them. So thank you again,
thank you, Joy G.
Then over here I have jalapenos.
Ooh.
And some banana peppers going. And on this side I did leeks.
Oh.
Now
okay.
because our leeks don't need a heat mat, the leeks don't require the soil to be as warm as the other seeds. These are not on a heat mat because they'll germinate as low as 45 degrees. And right now it's pretty much staying 55, 60 degrees in here without even having the heater on.
Yeah, we have a little heater there.
Yeah.
But we haven't had to use it for the last few days because this room, even without the inside siding on, is holding its heat very well.
It is. It's working out well for us.
Yeah, it is.
So I'm hoping to be able to rearrange things and get a lot more going in here. But I hope to be ready for the spring when I start farmers markets.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, I've got to go put the pull cord back on the chainsaw.
Yeah, I know.
And get the rest of Jason's logs up front.
I don't know why that keeps breaking off.
Because I don't make the knot big enough.
Oh, okay.
And I'm just pulling it through.
Yeah.
All right, guys, to be fair, I put this on yesterday. And you can see my knot came undone. So let's see if we can't get this fixed up. Alrighty, I got this one big lunker right here, and then I've got these 5 here or 6 here, and that's all I have left back here on the back pile. And I came back here, I wanted to get them all up front today, but when I got back here, look at what happened to the fork. It snapped right out. Now, I can weld that. That's not a problem, but these belong to Jason. So, I'm gonna take a couple pictures of it and message him and see what he wants me to do. Because I'll order a new set and make sure they're here when he gets home to take the tractor back and to load the trailer up, because we need the forks. And we can weld this up and he'll have a spare pair. So that's kind of where we're at on these projects, guys. Thanks for joining us. Remember, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and hit that bell. It'll let you know every time we got a video coming out. Till the next one. Bye.